Hey guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to tie a bunch of different styles of tops that I've been seeing all over Pinterest lately using just a silk scarf. So before we start, make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at cindy.lychee. Okay, so what you'll need for this is, first of all, you can either use, some of these will be using just a square silk scarf. I have one that's Winnie the Pooh because I can't find the one that I usually wear. And then, or you can also use a rectangular silk scarf. I don't know if you can see. So this is like a longer one. It's not square. So yeah, either should work for the majority of these tops. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so for the first look, I'm going to be using my long silk scarf, but you can also take your square one and just fold it into a triangle. So for the first look, I am going to take the long silk scarf and just wrap it around my neck, like how you would normally wear it. And then I'm going to cross it in the front and then just tie it off in the back. I've been seeing so many tops like these and I was like I can literally make my own just using a scarf. Once that's tied off, then you just want to make sure that everything would be covered. So just kind of like pulling that into place and then voila. And I will show you guys how it looks without my top underneath. I just don't want to like flash the whole world. So, okay, and this is what it looks like completely on. If you guys are worried about it like shifting throughout the night and you like actually want to wear this out, then you can easily just put on some boob tape to just keep everything in place. But this is what it looks like, and then this is how the back is. We're definitely starting off the most scandalous with this one, but yeah, as you can see, it's super, super cute and looks really good with some high-waisted jeans or pants of any sort. So for the next one, you're going to take your square silk scarf, and this is like what I see everybody do. All you do is, I think this is honestly like the easiest and most popular one. You just take this and you tie it in the back, and depending on how cropped you want it, you can also like roll it up more to make it even more cropped. But yeah, it's all up to personal preference. Then after it's tied, I will show you guys what it looks like without my shirt underneath. So ta-da! This is what it looks like. I made this a little more cropped than if you had like just folded it in half, but I really like how it looks. And then it's completely backless, which is really cute. So yeah, this is probably the easiest one. You guys have probably already done this or like seen it everywhere. But yeah, it's so easy to turn your scarf into a shirt like this. Okay, so the next one is very similar to the last one. So what you can do is you can just turn the shirt that I just showed you around, and it'll be like a really cute tie front top. But I'll also show you how to do it with the long scarf. So what you do is just kind of bring it around the back, make sure it's all lined up, and then all you have to do is tie it in the front. It's as easy as that. Yeah. And then just adjust it however you like, and that's it. You can also tie this into a bow if you want it to be cuter. So let me just show you that, like this. So you can honestly style it like any way that you want. And I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like on its own. So yeah, so this is what it looks like on its own. I just decided to leave these flowing down to have a little bit more coverage on my stomach, but it's really cute. The back, it just literally looks like a normal shirt. So yeah, this is the third look. Okay, so next I have two one shoulder tops for you guys. The first one is you take your silk scarf again, and then if you're using the square silk scarf, then just fold it into a triangle. And what you do is you start from the back, and then you bring it to the front, and then you leave this piece in the back, and then you bring this one up top over this way, and then what you do is with the piece that you left in the back, you tie these two sections together and it creates this asymmetrical top. So I will show you guys just with this style alone. So this is the final look. This one's honestly my favorite so far because it covers the most, and I think most people don't wear their scarves like this. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute. And yeah, you guys can easily achieve this on your own. So I will show you guys the next one shoulder top that I have. Okay, so for this one, let me just tie my hair up so I can get it out of the way. So for this next one shoulder top, so again, if you're using the square silk scarf, just fold it into a triangle and use it like that. But I'm just going to use my rectangular one because it's just a little easier for me. So what you do is you start on the side here. So you have equal length on both of the sides. And then once you bring it here, you crisscross these so that they are overlapping each other. Okay, so then you twist it once so that it lays flat. And then what you do is you just tie this on top of your shoulder here. And yes, it makes this one shoulder asymmetrical top. So again, I will show you guys what this looks like. I know it's kind of hard to visualize with my shirt underneath. So, and voila, this is what it looks like on. I think this one's a little more bohemian compared to the other one, but I also really like this one. And I think the little tie detail on the strap makes the whole look even cuter. Let me just show you guys what it looks like in the back. So this is super elegant, super cute. Honestly, I think all of the one strap ones are my favorites. Okay guys, so those were all 5. I think there were 5. All 5 of the tops that I wanted to show you guys. So, I mean, honestly, I could go on and on about all the different tops that you could create, but then it would be a really, really long video. And don't forget that you can also like take what I taught you and just kind of alter it very slightly and create different iterations of the same style of top. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope it was helpful. And with summer coming soonish, hopefully we can start wearing these out. I live in Massachusetts, so it's still way too cold to wear these out. But yeah, if you guys made it this far, then I would love it if you subscribe down below, and then also follow me on Instagram at cindy.lychee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.